Nah, it ain't that deep. I can see the bottom right there.
It's shallow?
It's pretty shallow. I can see the bottom. Just throw out there and try not to get it hung in the tree. See if one of them little small bass pick it up.
I want to jump in.
I bet you won't jump in for long. You'll jump out just as soon as you jump in because it's cold. Man, feel good out here, don't it?
I want to jump in the water. It's so shallow.
Yeah, it's shallow. You said shadow or shallow?
Shallow.
Shallow. Sound like you said shadow.
Well, I did say shadow.
You did, didn't you? I thought you said shadow.
Y'all, the best part of fishing is telling jokes.
Telling jokes. That's right. Having fun, man. Cutting up, telling jokes, having a good time, getting some good laughs in. Hey, it's something flying around your head.
I know.
Look like a fly.
What's up in the water? Dad, can I jump in?
Put your hand in the water. You see how cold it is. I bet you'll change your mind. You put your hand in the water. Oh, you gonna stick your finger in there? One finger at a time. Cold, ain't it?
No.
Man, you know it'd be fun if a big old buck came out of the woods and just looked at the boat, looked at us on the boat.
That could happen.
I know.
If you made a wish to.
Mm-hmm. Then I had to figure out how to get over there. Oh, that was a good one. Had to figure out how to sneak in over there.
Sneak in and sneak out.
On those unique spots over there.
Sneak in and sneak out.
Yep. Figure out how to sneak in and sneak out. See if I can't go kill him. This is some be patient fishing. You gotta be patient with this kind of fishing.
What am I saying?
Huh? Oh yeah, don't put some of the secret sauce. Yeah. Put some of the little secret sauce on there. Don't throw it up in the bush. Yep, you got hung up. Alright, just hold what you got. I'll get us over there. Don't snatch on. I'm gonna get us over there. Back it up over there. Back it up. Let me see it. See that limb's hanging.
That's long.
Mm-hmm.
You feel it? It don't go.
It's out. I got you out. Get us one before we get bogged down. Uh-oh. Too shallow. Huh. Yeah, don't throw it out yet. Let's get us in another spot. Look at all them buzzers over there.
Oh. Hopefully they don't come back to the house.
Yeah, make sure they don't come over our house. Oh, what's that? Something running over there in the wood. I don't know what that was. We're gonna run over here and jump in the boat. We're gonna shot a hole in the boat. Huh?
It's just a leaf.
There was something running over there.
You said about like it was close on that side.
Huh?
It was close on that side.
Yeah, it was up like. I heard that when we went in the tree with the boat. Yeah, but it sounded like something running up that hill. We're gonna go to another spot.
I don't know what it's saying.
What's what?
That was that one about now.
I don't know. Probably a squirrel or something. Bunch of squirrels around here.
Probably not.
That beaver done made another slide over there. That joke will be sliding all in the yard. We're gonna get him one day. He's gonna be out here slipping.
I can't wait.
He's gonna be out here slipping. I'm gonna tear that joke up. I got one, Dre. What you hollering about? There we go. I felt my line started moving off. Hey, we're gonna put one of them in the fish tank now.
Let's get that one. Might pick that one.
Might have put him in the fish tank since we threw the other Debo back. Debo got too big, we had to throw him back in.
He was bullying people too.
Yeah, he was biting the other fish. He got too big and outgrew the tank. So we catch one a little smaller than that. A little smaller than that, we'll put him in there. I want a real small one.
A small?
Alright. It's 1-0. You say you want to have a competition, right?
No.
At 1-0.
But I don't want to have a competition.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Alright. Throw it out there. See if you can catch one. That'll be your first bass with artificial bait.
That's
With
what I beat
lure.
you last time when we was over there. I was catching all the little fish.
Yeah, you caught some bass with a worm and
And I kept backing up.
yeah, that's when you were catching all them brim.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you caught a bass with a worm and with some minnows before. Reel it in some. You gotta reel it slow. Just let it hit the bottom and hold your rod tip up. See how I'm doing mine? And reel at the same time, but you just reel slow. You don't have to let it sit there for a long time. Man, I'm doing roosters sound funny. The chicken sound like they got laryngitis or something. They might have the swine flu.
That ain't no rooster.
It was a regular chicken.
Did somebody say help?
Nah, that's one of them chickens over there. You get them chicken? Yeah, we'll put that little bass in the fish tank if we don't catch one smaller than that. I want to catch one smaller than that. I miss not having a bass in the fish tank. They bring a little excitement to the fish tank.
If I was you, I would have hit that.
Huh?
If I was you, I would have jumped in the water.
Jumped in the water for what? Man, please, I'm not about to jump in that cold water, boy. You put one finger in there, imagine if your whole body was in that water, boy, you'll be locked up. You wouldn't be able to move if your whole body was in that water.
If I got in, I could swim. And
Huh?
It's shadow.
It's shadow?
The water.
Shadow or shallow?
Shadow.
It's shadow. I forgot what you said the other day that was funny. Where you had me cracking up. Oh yeah, when you were trying to tell people to subscribe to my channel, you couldn't say it right. What were you saying?
Subscribe.
Huh?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. I haven't been able to get right since I had the coronavirus.
Oh no.
Oh man, you made a perfect cast right in the bushes. Let me see that. Well, you catch something out of that bushes, boy, it's gonna be like a grass carp, boy. It ain't gonna taste that good. Oh, I tried to flip it back out of there. We're gonna have to go get it. You seeing him laughing. We're gonna have to go get that, boy.
Yes.
You the one who threw it up in the bushes.
I didn't try to.
Better hope a snake ain't in there. He's gonna slide off in the boat.
You have a gun?
Man, I'm not about to shoot no holes all in the boat trying to get a snake out. Hit him with that.
You gonna let him bite me?
Nah, we're gonna hit him with that paddle.
Let me get my paddle. Got the paddle in today.
I don't see no snake over here sunbathing, and then sometimes they'll lay out on the limb, sunbathe, warm up. But they cold-blooded. Cold-blooded. Uh-oh. Dang. Fighting with limb. I see it right now. Oh, every time I get a limb off from around the line, another one grabs it. Here we go. Come on off of there. Got it.
Yay!
Hold on. Let me let this up some. The trolling motor up. Or a strolling motor, like one of my buddy called a strolling motor. Make sure your line ain't nicked up. Yeah, you good. Let me see it. Yeah.
Can I paddle?
Nah, I got it. I'm gonna save that energy, boy. Save that energy in case the battery dies. Then we're gonna have to paddle. Use this trolling motor while it's working. We're gonna go on down. It's pretty shallow over here. You think the bass will be in the shallow water and warm up a little bit. Or in the sun over there. Yeah, that might be where they at. We're gonna try to make it happen. Come on now. One thing about this light line, I got some 15-pound braided line on here. It tangles up on everything. Gotta keep fishing, boy. We just got out here. So keep on fishing. We ain't been out here that long. Just keep on fishing. You might get lucky and get you one. Or they say a bad day fishing better than a good day at work. And that's true. Just being outdoors, boy, it's good for you. Good for your stress and everything. Oh yeah.
Do you like being at work?
Man, hey, I tell you what. I like being off work more than I like being at work.